Buying fractional shares on the Webull app is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Webull app, download and log in. If you don't already have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your Webull account. Ensure your account is funded. Deposit funds. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to purchase fractional shares. Deposit money if necessary. Access the stock market. Search for stocks. Tap on the Markets tab or use the search bar to find the stock you wish to buy. Select a stock. Choose stock. Tap on the stock to view its detailed page. Initiate a buy order. Tap on Buy. Click on the Buy button to start the purchasing process. Specify fractional shares. Enter amount. In the order form, instead of entering the number of shares, input the dollar amount you want to invest. Webull will automatically calculate the fractional share amount based on the current stock price. Review and place the order. Confirm details. Review the order details, including the total amount and estimated fractional shares you will receive. Submit order. Tap Buy to place your order. Monitor your investment. Track shares. Go to the Portfolio tab to monitor your fractional shares and manage your investments.